Suki here. It's time to check in with the Boys and Girls Club of Canada to see what they're cooking up for Kid Food Nation. Today, Vivian is making one of my favorite dishes. Let's just say that it's P-I-Z-Z amazing.
Today I'm going to show you the do's and don'ts of making a flatbread pizza. Do make sure you have some flatbread. That's kind of important. Don't cut anything without adult supervision. You're going to need more than just a pizza cutter when chopping your ingredients. Do cut your vegetables while leaving the knife tip on the board. You'll be able to cut more evenly and safely with this technique. Amazing. One more. Don't forget to invite all your friends over for a pizza party. Yay! For more KFN fun, head to kidfoodnation.com, presented by President's Choice Children's Charity.